my boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear. We have a very talented artist here, Sienna Spiro. This is my house, that's the title of this song. And yes, Sienna, I'm not sure if she started on TikTok. I think so, maybe, I'm not sure, but she has really grown her fan base, and with Jimmy Fallon and everything that comes with that, now we're here. This is my house, a great song. We're gonna have her more on this channel, I'm pretty sure about that. So let's start with this song first. We have Cape on third, and before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear 6 Strings Ago. I've done that a lot of times recently because I need your help, guys. It's a YouTube channel. We're gonna play a full song from A to Z, not just like this. We're gonna show the keys, the chords and verses and chords and all that. I'm actually gonna play for you without it speaking, and I'm gonna show you the chords on the screen. You just follow along. It's a full playthrough, and you're gonna learn a full song from A to Z. So go and check out that channel, Gruvgear 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. Now focus on Sienna. Cape on third. We have like 5 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna start with the D sus2. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and open E. Next chord will be the G6. So that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Next will be the C major 7. So that goes third A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Then we have the A7 sus4. So it goes open A, second D, open G, third B, open E. And then finally we have the A7. And the only difference there is that third B becomes the second B instead. Everything else is the same. And that's a 7. Alright, so we have a string pattern divided into 2 different parts. So we're going to start to learn that first. We're going to use the D sus to illustrate it. Sounds like this first. So the first part will be down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And the second part will be down, then a pause, and then down, down, up. So. And that's first down in part 2 comes immediately after the part 1. So no pauses in between. It's actually down, 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 up, down. Okay? And then down, down, up. But we need to have the split right there because, yeah, you will understand soon. So, again, one full round. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, so let's start with this corporation. I'm going to start with the D sus. One full round, both part 1 and part 2. Over to the G6, same there, one full round. Then comes the C major 7. We're going to play one full round plus part 1. So that will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's it. And then you're going to play the A7 sus4, 1 down. And then with a pause comes then the A7, 1 down. And that's it. So to summarize, D sus 1, G chord, 1 full round, C major, 1 full round plus part 1, then A7 sus4 down and A7 down, like this. Again. One technical stuff there from the C major. You will go to A7. You can actually keep that second fret D string there because it comes fast afterwards. So C major to A7 goes fast. You keep that there, second fret D string, to have this You don't have to release everything and go to the find A7 sus4. You keep it and work around it. And that, my friends, is how you handle this song from Sienna Spiro. This is my house. So, thank you for watching this time, and if you enjoyed it, you can also go and visit my new channel. That is the best way to thank me. Going Guitar 6 Strings Ago. They can also like this one and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.